Today I got a common problem, which is an oil leak on the palisade. I'm going to show you where it is and how we're going to fix it. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like if you're going to like this video. And here is the part number for a new filter housing. It's right there. Complete oil filter housing. The oil filter is already in it. We don't have to take that apart. We're going to need a wrench, or at least a 12mm socket. You get your oil thing to catch. There's not going to be a lot, but there will be some oil coming out when you take this housing off. And if we look, so there is a cover shield I already have off. It's just some 10mm, and you see that drip right there. You can kind of see that trail there. That's where the leak is coming from. You can see it's all over here. That's the little cover piece there. So there's 4 bolts. You see that one right up on top there. 4 bolts to take that off. See, 1 bolt here, there's one right here, one right here, and then there's the one above it here. So I'm gonna loosen. Get these loose before I get my electric wrench. You can see the oil trailing down right here. There are pretty long. All those. You see the oil coming out. It's not going to be all the oil in the pan. It's just the kind of oil sitting in there. Let that just kind of drain out before I wipe and clean that area off. So I wiped it off. You still see the drips. That's fine, because you're going to want to take just a little bit and just kind of go around the gasket like that, just like you would an oil filter. You simply just put your bolts in there. Use this just to get them going a lot faster. We're going to tighten them all down to 14 to 15 foot-pounds. Somewhere right in that area. 14 to 15 there. We're just going to clean off the oil around the area. Probably want to clean it off all over underneath. Just using some brake cleaner. We'll put the cover back on and then top off the oil, and everything should be good, but that's where most common leak is from. Hopefully that helped people.